Still sounds good to me, like we were 17.
This is the Echo SmartPen from LiveScribe. It's a computer and a pen, and it works like this. The SmartPen starts recording everything you write and hear. Write notes during a meeting or lecture. Draw diagrams. Mark important information. To replay, just tap your notes and high-quality audio plays back from that exact moment. You can jump forward or go back to notes from days, months, even years ago.
Alright, goals, ready? Here we go.
The Echo SmartPen connects to your PC or Mac computer by USB cable to transfer your notes and audio to LiveScribe Desktop. After the transfer, your digital notes and audio come to life as an interactive document called a pencast. Pencasts allow you to hear, see, and relive your notes exactly as they were recorded.
Phone or other small device.
To search your handwritten notes, type in any word. LiveScribe Desktop searches for every place that word appears in your writing. Stay organized with custom notebooks by combining pages from different notebooks. Notes can be transcribed into typed text by downloading an app that's sold separately. You can even share your notes and audio as an interactive PDF, accessible by anyone with the latest Adobe Reader. The Echo SmartPen. It's time your notes worked for you.
Thank you so much for watching. If you like what you've seen, click on the subscribe button for more videos. If you're interested in the product, then click on the link located in the description area for more details. Thanks again for watching. See you next time.